In today's video, we're diving into how to get reminders for every sales opportunity automatically. This is the key to staying on top of every lead and never missing out on a chance to close a sale. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to automate these reminders and boost your productivity. You've probably tried a few software options out there that claim to help with reminders, but nothing quite sticks. Maybe the reminders aren't tailored to your specific sales process, or you're just overwhelmed with options. Well, I've tried them all and found one that delivers exactly what you need. And I've got a special exclusive free trial for you in the description below, so stick around to find out more. Let's start with setting up automated reminders. The first thing you need is a system that integrates your calendar, contacts, and tasks. This software does all of that in a streamlined way, allowing you to set reminders not just by time, but by sales stage. So, for example, if you're in the follow-up stage with a client, you'll get a reminder exactly when you need to reach out. Once you've connected your calendar, the next step is defining your reminders. The software we're using allows you to set up reminders for different sales stages, whether it's the first meeting, a follow-up call, or even when it's time to send that final proposal. The best part? It doesn't matter which platform you're using to manage your sales opportunities, the reminders will come straight to you, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop. That means no more missed opportunities, no more wondering when to follow up. Now let's talk about frequency. You can choose how often you get these reminders, daily, weekly, or even hourly. For those of you managing multiple clients at once, you can even set priority levels for each reminder. This is where the software we're using really shines. It makes sure you're getting notified based on your specific sales workflow, ensuring you never miss a step. And here's a little pro tip. This software allows you to automate task follow-ups. So after you've completed one step in the sales process, it automatically triggers the next action you need to take, like sending an email or scheduling a follow-up call. That means you're always one step ahead and never scrambling to remember what needs to be done next. I know it can feel like you're juggling a lot of tools and software, but with this setup, everything works in harmony. You'll receive reminders and notifications exactly when you need them, without having to manually check your calendar every day. So let's quickly recap what you need to do. First, connect your calendar and contacts to the software. Next, set up reminders for each sales stage, making sure to customize the frequency and priority. Finally, enable task automation so that once one action is completed, the next is automatically triggered. It's that simple. Before we close, don't forget that the exclusive free trial for the software we're using is linked in the description below. This is a great way to follow along and see how powerful this tool can be in automating your sales reminders. Key takeaway: automating your sales reminders ensures you never miss an opportunity, keeps you organized, and lets you focus on closing sales. The software we use today is an absolute game changer for staying on top of your sales opportunities without any extra effort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description. See you in the next video.